Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video.
Elsa Disney
Now, I deeply advise you guys to listen to my full conversation to what I'm going to say about Mr. Flimflam and his subscribers. Now, not only is his subscribers the worst on this platform.
So your subscribers is a community of children who thinks that they can get free Robux, but they really can't, and glued to their screen. And get rid of that Elsa Disney princess filter. I can't really take this seriously. And the fact
because
that
don't get me wrong, I already got enough hate from the first videos that he made on me. Okay? And listen, I know what you said about my dog on that video. She's just coming because she wants to speak to you as well, Mr. Flimflam. As you can see, she's not happy with you, Mr. Flimflam.
Every single day. That are just sad, man.
Please, don't do that again. Now listen up, okay? I'm gonna get very serious right now, guys. Basically, Mr. Flimflam, and I know that most of the people watching this video now are gonna be his subscribers. Anyways, Mr. Flimflam, your audience on YouTube, you got a very serious fan base, and I know you do. You wanna know why? Because the amount of people that came to my channel after that video was out of this world, okay? And I didn't like that. Because if you don't take this challenge, there's gonna be some very serious consequences. Number one, I'm gonna unsubscribe to your channel. And you might think, oh, I don't really care. No, you should care. You know why? Because I've been a subscriber for 7 years, Mr. Flimflam. I used to watch you when I was little.